Now, let me show you how I was able to convert these, and these images into these beautiful videos. First of all, go on your browser and search PixVerse dot AI. Here's the website called PixVerse.ai. Now, once you're logged in, click on try it. I want to turn this parrot into a venom, and also the rest of these images, I want to give them motions. Let me show you how I was able to achieve this, as you can see here. Upload an image that you want to convert into a video. Simply drag and drop it. Now, from here, you can give it a description of how you want your image to behave, and give it time to transform it, and give it some time for your video to generate. Once it is done, download it. Go ahead and do the same for the rest of the images. Now, here are the final results. Now, see how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.